So, jetzt wollen wir erst einmal den so schauen, ob vielleicht Fingerabdrücke drauf sind. Keine. Unten? Ah, nicht. Nix, gut. Dann, da die Song, untersuchen wir vielleicht einmal die Fasern. Und die stimmen bestimmt überein. Nick?
It's a match.
So.
This ties Manny Molina's to the crime scene and to Jessica's murder. Let's take this to Brass.
Nein, jetzt wollen wir noch nicht zu Press, sondern wollen den Laptop untersuchen. Wo machen wir das? Da nicht, gell? Aber da herum wieder. Und zwar bei der Computeranalyse.
The data on Jessica's hard drive was encrypted. We were able to open it up, and we found a motherlode of information on Beatrice Salazar. Nick's going through it all now. Somehow Jessica Marnier had access to sensitive FBI files, but she's not a current or former employee of the Bureau. Otherwise, she would have been flagged as soon as we ran her prints. There's also a lot of information about a Robert Marnier, a federal agent who was murdered a few years back while investigating Beatrice Salazar. I'll do a cross-check. Looks like Robert Marnier was Jessica Marnier's brother. No wonder she was obsessed with the Queen of the Hive.
You're not gonna believe this, guys. I was digging through Jessica's FBI files on Beatrice Salazar, and it turns out she has a son. She gave birth over 20 years ago, but persuaded the hospital to cover it up by designating it as a stillborn. Then she secretly put up the boy for adoption. An informant later claimed the boy was adopted by a very nice, very rich family. Last name of Rice.
Will Rice?
The very same. So, it looks like Jessica was convinced that Will was Salazar's son. She also made several notations about Manny Molina's. She knew about his connection to Salazar.
We have access to both Will's and Salazar's DNA. Let's see if there are 7 alleles in common.
Was haben wir jetzt? Beschluss und was haben wir da jetzt gekriegt? Die DNA von Beatrix Salazar. Und die wollen wir jetzt vergleichen mit der von der Jessica, oder? Oder mit wem wollen wir die vergleichen? Probieren wir es halt einfach mal aus. So, da haben wir Beatrix Salazar und die von Will Rice. Nehmen wir mal. Ach, das stimmt doch gar nicht, oder? Das kann gar nicht stimmen. Aber wir haben doch gar keine DNA, oder? Vom Opfer. Kriegen wir da DNA?
Hi, Doc. Got some more questions for you about the overdose case.
You've learned something new?
Tja, und jetzt? Wollen wir vielleicht bei ihm da? Ein Haftbefehl gegen Manny?
Based on what evidence? The glove ties Manny to the crime scene and the murder. And the Salazar link can't be ignored. You got your arrest warrant. I'll put a bolo out on Manny. That search warrant earlier may have spooked him.
Okay, der Manny wird erst einmal festgenommen.
All right. I'll set it up.
I'm not proud of it, but it's the truth.
And you didn't think to mention this alibi a little earlier?
Hey, maybe you can switch gears that fast, but this thing with Veronica was a big secret. A problem for me. What? No, I mean, that computer was really important to Jesse. I wouldn't mess with it.
So, Prämie freigeschalten. Keine Ahnung für was, aber wir wollen... Wollen wir noch mit jemandem rennen?
All right. I'll set it up.
Mhm. Da haben wir wieder Nachricht. Ach so, doch, Will Rice und Beatrix Salazar sind wir Vergleicher. Machen wir gleich.
Beatrice Salazar. She's also known as the Queen of the Hive. Did you know that Jessica believed Will Rice was Salazar's son?
No, no one ever mentioned anything like that to me. That can't be true because Will, he never lied to me, ever. Have you told him? Does he even know?
Don't leave town.
I'm not going anywhere.
Aber das können wir doch gar nicht vergleichen, oder? Also Kinder schon, aber... Die Menge an Punkten da, die klangen doch gar nicht. Oder? Das klang doch mir.
Jessica was right. Will Rice is Beatrice Salazar's son. But the question is, does Will know that?
I got an update on Huntby. The feds are now completely convinced Agent Huntby is compromised. They're ruling out all their assets to apprehend him. And so are we. If I hear anything else, I'll let you know.
Okay, es hat doch gelangt mit der DNA.
I don't believe it.
Mr. Rice, I'm finding it very hard to believe you didn't know about Jessica's personal obsession. I'm finding it even harder to believe that once you found out about it, once you found out that Jessica believed you were the son of the woman who had her brother executed, well, I can't believe there weren't consequences.
You go straight to hell. I told you I didn't know about any of this.
Yeah? Okay, thanks. Manny Molinas just got picked up at the bus station. They're bringing him in now.
So, und Molines haben wir wieder eingefangen. Mal schauen, was er diesmal zu erzählen hat.
That laptop was full of information on Beatrice Salazar. Jessica believed Will Rice is Salazar's son, whom she gave up for adoption about 20 years ago. And she was right. I'd say that's the kind of information that got her killed.
What do you want me to say? I have no knowledge of this situation with this lost mother and son.
And Jessica knew that too. Your name was in her notes, It certainly wouldn't look too good for you if Salazar found out you'd been selling drugs to her son all this time.
I swear to God, I don't know about what's on that computer. Well, he must have forgotten he told me. The hell I did. I mean, I've been to jail and all, done some shady stuff, but I ain't no killer.
So, die Beweise sprechen natürlich gegen ihn. Und zwar allein schon wegen dem Ohrring.
Your glove left trace evidence on Jesse's earring. Jessica Marnier visited you on the night of her death, and just like you said, she was there to tell you about the situation with Will, about how she discovered you were both connected to Beatrice Salazar. Will was her son, and you were her flunky, and that's when you realized you couldn't afford to risk the Queen of the Hive finding out that you were her son's pusher, especially when it was a son she'd been keeping secret all these years. So you took the red sweater Jessica had accidentally left behind, and then you mixed a deadly cocktail. Sourcing the ingredients was pretty easy for you, and with your expertise you knew exactly how to use them. You found your way into the back of her car, hid there, and when she was distracted, you injected the speedball into her neck. You hoped injecting the rest of the mix into her arm would just make it look like another overdose death in Vegas, washed up and washed out. But when you were through, you noticed you had a problem. One of her earrings had come off during the struggle, and you accidentally took it with you. So you carefully removed it with the gloves, and then you decided to take out a little insurance policy. You left the earring in Veronica's room when you went back to the apartment to drop off the sweater. You took the laptop from her room and returned to your trailer where you tried to flush the gloves. And if you had better plumbing, you just might have gotten away with it.
Dios mío. Dios mío. You gotta understand, I had to do it. This girl, she knew too much, and she wanted too much. You know she wanted me to set up some kind of happy reunion between the Queen and Will? That's insanity. I tried to warn her that Salazar is loco dangerous, that she shouldn't rattle the Hive, but she was obsessed. I did what I had to do. Believe me, jail will be heaven compared to what hell the Queen would have done to me if she'd found out I'd been messing in her family business.
That's Will Rice. It's really too much to hope that any case involving the Queen of the Hive would end neatly, or cleanly. What can you tell us?
He was found in an abandoned warehouse downtown. Marks around his neck are consistent with strangulation. Wasn't a hands-on job. The bruising pattern suggests some kind of ligature was used. In light of recent events, my first instinct was suicide. But skin under his nails suggests this young man fought for his life. We're looking at a homicide here.
We need to run that DNA right away.
Ach so, wir sind noch gar nicht fertig. Also, Manny war der Mörder von der Jessica. Und als nächstes haben sie einen Will Rice gefunden. Ja, und den haben sie auch erledigt.
Hi, Doc. Got some more questions for you about the overdose case.
You've learned something new?
Okay, über dem war es ja nix. Also wir sind noch mittendrin und sollten einmal die DNA untersuchen. Und dafür müssen wir natürlich wieder ins Labor. So, jetzt bin ich gespannt, was das für DNA ist, zu wem die gehört. Kehrt die vielleicht da hin? Na, das stimmt überhaupt nicht, oder? Vielleicht passt da eine. Na, überhaupt nicht. Ja, aber mit der eigenen können wir es ja nicht vergleichen, oder? Das stimmt ja dann gar nicht. Tja, was sollen wir denn jetzt machen? Wir haben die DNA. Aber zu wem kehrt die DNA? Da haben wir auch noch nicht alles gefunden, aber da weiß ich gar nicht, wo wir da noch suchen sollen. Oder ist da noch was versteckt? Ja, da ist gar nichts. Da hinten können wir nicht rein. Da können wir schon sehen.
I ain't no killer. Damn, don't they make you like pass an IQ test or something for this job?
Is that the evidence you meant to present? Your glove left trace evidence on Jesse's earring. Jessica Marnier visited you on the night of her death, and just like you said, she was there to tell you about the situation with Will. About how she discovered you were both connected to Beatrice Salazar. Will was her son, and you were her, especially when it was a son she'd been... So you took sourcing... You hope...
Ja, das kennen wir schon, sehen.
You left it, you took the left, and if you...
Gut, das überspringen wir
You
jetzt.
know she...
Weg. So, das kennen wir ja schon bereits. Wir möchten ja die DNA von dem. Können wir sonst irgendwas machen? Die Würgemale können wir nicht untersuchen. An der Hand haben wir auch nichts. So, jetzt kapiert es gerade überhaupt nicht. Da kann man ja auch nichts machen, oder? Na, das haben wir alles untersucht. Dokumentanalyse haben wir nicht, weil wir keine Dokumente bei uns haben. Was sagt denn sie?
I don't think we've exhausted the crime scene yet.
Ja, natürlich nichts Gescheites. Also nochmal. Mal Chemikalien. Vielleicht können wir das noch irgendwie vergleichen. Aber das ist eigentlich hinfällig. Die DNA. Da haben wir die da. Und die ergeben keinen Treffer. Aber die stimmen nicht überein. Oder wir haben es verkehrt gemacht. Oder stimmt es vielleicht doch? Ach, es stimmt doch.
Oh my God. She killed her own son.
Listen to this. Dispatch received the call 15 minutes ago.
All I ever wanted was for my son to know a life free of this cruelty. And yet, the Queen must do whatever is necessary to protect her hive. It must remain strong at any and all costs. If one bee threatens to weaken the hive or let in the enemy, do you know what she must do? She must eliminate it. My boy's blood is on your hands.
Tja, Beatrix Salazar hat also ihren eigenen Sohn umgebracht. Den Will Rice. Und damit hätten wir auch den 4. Fall geklärt. Und beim nächsten Mal haben wir dann nur noch den letzten.